Hedera Hashgraph. Thank you for finding Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Go to Knockout Crypto and sign up for the next big crypto report, where you can get the next big crypto and trading alerts at the same time. So the Hedera Hashgraph mainnet went live about a couple of days ago, September 16th. I wanted to bring this video to you guys to give you an overview of what Hedera Hashgraph is, and why it's an important project to watch. So this is the main website, Hedera.com. Hello future, the trust layer of the internet is here. The Hedera open access replay is now available. Let's just jump right into the I'll jump right into the video. So Hedera Hashgraph blockchain goes live with 26 dApps, September 17th, 2019. This was from theblock.com, theblockcrypto.com. Hedera Hashgraph, a new public blockchain network that claims to be faster than Ethereum and Bitcoin networks, has launched its mainnet beta for the general public. The network had previously been in a closed beta mode with access to select developers. Announcing the news on Monday, Hedera said the network can support up to 10,000 transactions per second, compared to 15 for Ethereum and 2.8 per second for Bitcoin. Hedera also offers smart contract and file services, and both are currently throttled to 10 transactions per second. The firm plans to increase speed methodically throughout the remainder of 2019, it said. Among the 26 decentralized applications or dApps to go live on the Hedera network are AdsDAC, and decentralized advertising platform, which claims to have already conducted over 2 million transactions in 10 days. Chainlink, which will provide Hedera-based applications with reliable oracles and connectivity to off-chain data. And drug development consultancy Centera, aiming to provide advanced analytics and demonstrate data provenance on health-related transactions. We welcome developers globally to build decentralized applications on our platform and are excited to see what they will build, says Dr. Leman Bard, co-founder and chief scientist of Hedera Hashgraph. With open access, our council members have also begun running nodes. The governing council of Hedera includes blue chip companies such as IBM, Boeing, Deutsche Telekom, Tata, and Nomura, among others. So, as you can see here, there's some big names. You got Boeing, the Deutsche Telekom, DLA Piper, FIS, IBM, which is probably the biggest name on the list, IBM and Boeing. Swiss.com blockchain, Tata Communications. So these are legit companies, legit names associated with Hedera Hashgraph. Join a future built on trust. Hedera is a decentralized public network for you to make your digital world exactly as it should be yours. Whether you're a startup or enterprise, a creator or a consumer, Hedera goes beyond blockchain for developers to create the next era of fast, fair, and secure applications. Network metrics: the current price of the token is 5 cents. The latency 1.9 seconds. Network volume 384,477 transactions. 32 public dApps announced. You can go to see the dApps at hedera.com/users to see the dApps that are using it. Okay. Build with Hedera network services, cryptocurrency, smart contracts, file service, consensus service. So it gives you all of these options to build when you're with Hedera. Hedera is a third generation public ledger. Bitcoin pioneered the decentralized infrastructure, and Ethereum brought programmability, but earlier proof-of-work blockchains consume massive amounts of energy and process transactions slowly in order to achieve acceptable levels of security. Heavy bandwidth consumption by these technologies lead to expensive fees, even for a simple cryptocurrency transaction. Hedera proof-of-stake public network, powered by Hashgraph Consensus, achieves the highest grade of security possible, ABFT, with blazing fast transaction speeds and incredibly low bandwidth consumptions by combining high throughput, low fees, and finality in seconds. Hedera leads the way for the future of public ledgers. So then they have a chart here between the first and second and third generation blockchain. So you have a transaction per second, 3 for Bitcoin, 12 for Ethereum, 10,000 for Hedera. Then you have the average fee, 20 cents for Bitcoin, 13 cents for Ethereum, less than a penny for Hedera. Then you have the transactions confirmation for Bitcoin is between 10 and 60 minutes. For Ethereum, between 10 and 20 seconds. For Hedera, between 3 to 5 seconds. They say over 500 teams are building on Hedera. Here are some of the teams that are saying they are building: Carbon, Centaura, Tune.fm, Lottery. So these are the teams that are building on Hedera. So these are the things that Hedera has been up to. Let's see if we can find more about the users of Hedera. So these are the dApps that are on Hedera. You can go to hedera.com/users to see these dApps. You got environmental dApp, Earth Tile, energy, power transition. You have Centera, open healthcare data dApp. You have Armada, collaborative supply chain dApp, Earth ID, decentralized identity management, Tune FM, streaming music micropayments. The biggest one they say is AdsDAX, a transparent ad platform. They have a game development platform, Alto. AO Chain is a technology settlement platform, custody. You have Chainlink, the Solana Oracle contract, Oracle Network is the dApp on there. So you have these big names developing dApps on the Hedera Hashgraph network. So it's interesting. I think Hedera has a lot going for it. It has a lot going for it, and I think we need to definitely need to take a look at Hedera and see where it fits into your portfolio if you're thinking about getting in. Here's the team of Hedera: Dr. Lemon Bard, Mars Harmon, Natalie Gwenfield Furman, Kristen Haskell, Lionel Chocon, Nigel Clark. So it's a team of Hedera. And here's Hedera on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, it's 4 cents right now on CoinMarketCap. You can see the chart for the past 4 days. It started pretty high, 36 cents, and it went all the way down to 4 cents. The total supply is 50 billion. It's the total supply. It's a lot. The markets right now, you can see Hedera's on Upbit, OKX. Most of the volume is coming from Upbit, then OKX, and then Bittrex. It is on an American exchange. It is on Bittrex. Bittrex has a BTC pairing. Bittrex has a USD pairing and a USDT pairing and an ETH pairing, and then it's also on Hit BTC as well. You can get HBar. So it's called HBar. That's the name of the coin, HBar. When you can get it on Bittrex for American customers. All right. They also did a press release, and that went out to some of the press releases as well. So in terms of the token, right? So Hedera Hashgraph has launched its long-awaited public network backed by some of the world's largest corporations and promising faster transactions and greater capacity to scale to any blockchain to date. Since December 2018, the network has been available in a testing environment to a small group of corporations and developers. Anyone can open an account as of September 16. Anyone can open an account or build a decentralized dApp on the Hashgraph, which is similar to a blockchain but uses a different mechanism to achieve consensus about the state of the ledger. With the public network now live, the Hedera Treasury is set to begin distributing the HBar tokens around 1 UTC. The first tokens, more than 379 million, will go to investors who participated in the 124 million crowd sale that took place in the 3 rounds from March 2018 to August 2018. Another 1.95 million tokens will go to advisors, vendors, and other participants on day one. The balance of the 50 billion supply of HBar is to be released over the next 15 years by the Network Governing Council. 12 cryptocurrency exchanges and over-the-counter that's planned to list HBar for trading. I'll go, I'm not going to read all these ones, but like I said, Bittrex, Upbit, OKX, and Hit BTC are some of the big ones. A year and a half in the making, the Hashgraph stands out from other distributed ledgers or technologies in several ways. Its creators claim it works more efficiently than blockchains, making it more suitable for enterprises and commerce. Specifically, Hedera says the network can support up to 10,000 transactions per second compared to 2.8 per second for Bitcoin and 15 for Ethereum, the two largest blockchains. This is the first instance globally of Hashgraph being put to the test. It's different data structure, different technology, and looks nothing like a blockchain, but solves the same kind of problems with better security and better performance. Hashgraph proponents also say its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is fairer than Bitcoin proof-of-work, allowing transactions to come in the order they were recorded and settled all in the same amount of time. Hedera code is patented rather than open source, a condition the network says it will enforce to secure copying of the code base or forking. Not least of all, Hedera boasts a bunch of blue-chip names: IBM, Boeing, Deutsche Telekom, and we've already talked about those being on the government council. While regular blockchains are a couple of gigabytes large, the Hashgraph is smaller because it does not store all transaction history on the ledger, though it can be optionally stored on the mirror network. In addition to its speed, the Hashgraph promises finality and instant payments as opposed to around 70% of transactions settling every 10 minutes for Bitcoin, and a handful of transactions never reaching finality. If we think crypto is going to be valuable for retail transactions, it's not acceptable for you to walk out with the merchant unsure if they will get paid. Hedera has a quality of service that others are not as committed to. The speed, however, only applies to certain kinds of transactions, says Eric Wall, the former blockchain lead at NASDAQ-owned fintech vendor Cinnabon. So that's what you have for Hedera Hashgraph. Let me see if I can find a little bit more information for you guys. And, there is a lot of hype, but remember when this was coming out in March 2018 to August 2018, we were still in the bear market. So it's going to be interesting to see how the market responds to Hedera Hashgraph. I mean, with the market the way it is, it's really going to be interesting to see how the market responds. I don't know if people are going to buy it or not because it's all potential right now. We don't have revenue. They have 34K Twitter followers. But we don't have revenue, we just have this potential that, hey, these dApps might be worth a lot in the future. Hey, the distributed ledger technology might be worth a lot in the future. The trust layer of the internet might be worth a lot more. But we don't know for sure, and a lot of people are saying, which trust layer is going to be the main trust layer, which protocol is going to be the main protocol. We don't know. Could it be Hedera? Could it be Ethereum? What will be the main layer of the internet, of the new internet? I think right now Ethereum has a head start on everybody, but it could be Hedera. Who knows? We don't know. Hedera definitely has a lot of corporation backing, which gives it a little bit more credibility than some of the other blockchains challenging Ethereum. But that doesn't mean Hedera is going to be the winner at the end of the day. This distributed ledger technology, there will be a winner. And there will be there will be a one that takes all of the majority of the market share. The question is, will that be Hedera Hashgraph? Will Hedera Hashgraph be the one to overtake Ethereum? Will it overtake the market share of Ethereum? Will it be the one that dApps are chose to build on? So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. What do you think about Hedera Hashgraph? Like I said, the price right now is 4 cents. I don't know if I would get in right now because I think it's going to probably go down a little bit more further. We could be looking at, less than a penny in the next few weeks. So that would be my price prediction, but I wouldn't, hold my, just throwing a price prediction out there, less than a penny in a couple of weeks. And we'll see where it goes from there. But guys, thank you for following. Will Hedera replace Ethereum? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for following the channel. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Don't forget to go sign up for Knockout Crypto for insider information. The next big crypto report is there every month, and you get trading alerts every month. KnockoutCrypto.com. Don't forget to go there to sign up, guys. To sign up. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you for your support.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.